Hello friends and welcome to Study Center. In this video, we'll be discussing about important international airports of India. You can easily get one or two questions from this topic in your examination, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you get instantly notified whenever we upload a new video just like this. Now that being done, let's get started with today's session. Airports Authority of India. The Airports Authority of India, or simply the AAI, is a statutory body working under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. It is responsible for creating, upgrading, maintaining and managing civil aviation infrastructure in India. And the headquarters are in New Delhi. Now let's have a look at important international airports of India. We will discuss this alphabetically statewide. The first Union Territory, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar had one international airport, that is Bir Savarkar International Airport. It is situated in Port Blair. Now let us know why this airport is called as Bir Savarkar International Airport. Binayak Damodar Savarkar was an independent activist. He was once a prisoner in Silver Jail in Andaman. That's why in 2002, the Port Blair Airport was renamed after him. See, mostly in exams, the question will be asked about the airports which are named after some persons. So what I'm doing here is I'll be giving you some story regarding that person and I'll be telling you that why that airport is named after him, so that it will be very easy to remember which airport is situated where. I hope this technique will be helpful to you, and without putting much effort, you will be able to remember all the airports. Let's move to second state, which is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has two international airports. One is Visakhapatnam International Airport, which is at Visakhapatnam. Another is Tirupati International Airport, which is at Tirupati. So in examination, most commonly, they won't ask you these kind of questions because they're named after the place's name. Are you getting my point? So the next airport is Lokopriya Gopinath Bardoloi International Airport, which is at Guwahati, Assam. Well, Gopinath Bardoloi was a politician and Indian independence activist who was the last Prime Minister of Assam province and also served as the first Chief Minister of Assam. So the airport of Assam is named after him, Lokopriya Gopinath Bardoloi. Now let's move to Bihar. Bihar has two international airports. One is Gaya International Airport, which is at Goa. Another one which is important is Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport. Jayaprakash Narayan, or popularly referred as JP or Lok Nayak, was an Indian independence activist and a political leader. He was also known as the hero of the Quit India movement. He died in Patna. So in the memory of him, the Patna International Airport is named after Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport. Now let's move to the busiest airport of India. It is Indira Gandhi International Airport and is in New Delhi. Indira Gandhi was a daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru and she was also the first female Prime Minister of India. Half of the air traffic in India has been taken by Indira Gandhi Airport and Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Moving next, Goa has one international airport. It is Goa International Airport or Dabolim Airport. In Gujarat, we have two international airports. One is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, which is in Ahmedabad, Dholera International Airport in Dholera. Sardar Patel served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He played an important role in uniting India after independence. He was born in Gujarat, so the Ahmedabad airport is named after him. Jammu Kashmir has one airport. It is Srinagar Airport at Srinagar. In Karnataka, we have two international airports. One is Kempegowda International Airport, which is in Bengaluru. Another is Mangalore International Airport, which is in Mangalore. So Kempegowda founded Bangalore in 1537. So the Bangalore airport is named after him. In Kerala, we have three international airports. One is Cochin International Airport in Kochi, Calicut International Airport in Kozhikode, Trivandrum International Airport in Thiruvananthapuram. In Madhya Pradesh, we have Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport in Indore. Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar was the Holkar Queen of Maratha, Malwa Kingdom. She moved the capital to Maheshwar on the Narmada River, which is south of Indore. In Maharashtra, we have three important airports. One is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, which is at Mumbai, Pune Airport at Pune, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport at Nagpur. So on 14th October 1956, Ambedkar, with approximately 6 lakhs followers, converted to Buddhism in Nagpur. So in the memory of him, the Nagpur International Airport is named after Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. In Manipur, we have Imphal International Airport at Imphal. In Odisha, we have Biju Patnaik International Airport at Bhubaneswar. Bijayananda Patnaik, popularly known as Biju Patnaik, has served twice as Chief Minister of Odisha. In Punjab, we have two important airports. One is Chandigarh International Airport, which is at Chandigarh. Other is Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport at Amritsar. Guru Ramdas was the fourth of the 10 Gurus of Sikhism. Rajasthan has Jaipur International Airport at Jaipur. Tamil Nadu has 3 international airports. One is Anna International Airport at Chennai, Coimbatore International Airport at Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli International Airport at Tiruchirappalli. Telangana has Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at Hyderabad. Rajiv Gandhi was the 6th Prime Minister of India. He took the office after the 1984 assassination of his mother, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, to become the youngest Prime Minister of India at the age of 40. He had done his formal pilot training from Hyderabad. In order to honor that, the airport was named after him. In Uttar Pradesh, we have Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport at Lucknow. His picture is on the right. And Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport at Varanasi, his picture is at the left. Chaudhry Charan Singh has served as 5th Prime Minister of India. And Lal Bahadur Shastri has served as the 2nd Prime Minister of India. And both of them are from Uttar Pradesh. The West Bengal International Airport is known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Odisha division of Bengal province. Well, that's all for today's session, guys. I have discussed most of the important international airports which often asked in the examinations. If by chance I have missed any, do let me know in the comment section. I have tried to give you some information regarding the naming of the airports. I hope you'll be able to remember them all. And the last thing is, if you like this video, do give it a like, subscribe to our channel if you have not, and share this video with your friends. That's all for today's session. See you in the next one.